Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Start by confirming your iPhone runs iOS 15 or later and has sufficient battery. Charge above 20% to avoid interruptions during data collection. Use an Apple USB-C or Lightning cable in good condition for a stable connection. Prepare a Mac with Apple Configurator 2 or the console app installed. Sign into a Mac administrator account and unlock your iPhone before connecting. Back up your iPhone to Finder or iCloud first. This preserves data and reduces risk when you enable diagnostic features. On your iPhone, open Settings and tap Privacy and Security to locate Analytics. Tap Analytics and Improvements and enable Share iPhone Analytics if required by your workflow. Connect the iPhone to the Mac using a verified Apple cable and unlock the iPhone. When the Trust This Computer prompt appears, tap Trust and enter your passcode to confirm. On the Mac, open Apple Configurator 2 or the console app to start receiving logs. If using Apple Configurator, choose Prepare and enable Diagnostic mode for service technicians. With the iPhone connected, stream logs in console or capture Assist Diagnose from Apple Configurator. Reproduce the issue on the iPhone while the Mac records logs for the relevant time window. Save a copy of the log stream and create an exported zip or sysdiagnose bundle using the app controls. Include timestamps and brief reproduction steps in a separate text file inside the bundle. When finished, disable diagnostics by turning off Share iPhone Analytics in Settings. Then, safely disconnect the cable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.